For over 6 decades, a relentless pursuit of the unknown has defined humanity's greatest endeavor to understand the cosmos. And at the heart of this quest lies a singular, breathtaking perspective, one that transforms the way the world is seen forever. From the edge of the atmosphere to the farthest reaches of the solar system, a unique vantage point has been claimed, capturing Earth in ways that shock the senses, stir the soul, and ignite an unshakable sense of wonder. This is no ordinary view. This is Earth as only the most daring exploration can reveal, raw, radiant, and utterly humbling. Picture this. A sleek, high-altitude aircraft soars 13 miles above the planet's surface, piercing through the thin veil of the atmosphere. The air is scarce, the horizon curves gently, and below lies a tapestry of swirling clouds, shimmering oceans, and rugged continents. From this precarious perch, the fragility of the world comes into focus. Storms churn with ferocious energy, their lightning strikes flashing like cosmic warnings. Deserts stretch in endless golden waves, while forests pulse with vibrant life. Every glance downward is a revelation, a reminder of the planet's restless beauty and its delicate balance. This is no mere flight. It's a dance with the edge of space, a glimpse of Earth that feels like stealing a secret from the heavens. Now ascend higher, to a realm where the stars burn brighter and the planet glows like a jewel against the infinite black. At 250 miles above the surface, a marvel of human ingenuity orbits tirelessly, a vantage point that never rests. From this height, the world is no longer a collection of borders or cities, but a singular living entity. The auroras ripple like emerald flames across the poles, painting the night with ethereal light. Sunrises and sunsets blaze across the curvature of the globe every 90 minutes, each one a fiery spectacle that no ground-bound eye could ever witness. The oceans shimmer with a depth that seems to hold the secrets of creation itself, while the continents sprawl in patterns that defy comprehension. From this orbital throne, the planet's heartbeat is almost palpable, a rhythm of life that echoes across the void. Push further to 400 miles, where the airless expanse once cradled the dreams of a generation. Here, the planet's majesty is magnified, its scale both humbling and exhilarating. The view is a kaleidoscope of contrasts, the blinding white of polar ice caps, the deep indigo of the Pacific, the scorched reds of arid plains. Clouds swirl in hypnotic spirals, their shadows racing across the surface like fleeting thoughts. From this distance, the world feels both impossibly vast and achingly small, a paradox that tugs at the heart. It's a perspective that screams of adventure, of humanity's audacity to break free from gravity's chains and see the home planet as a cosmic masterpiece. At 420 miles, a sentinel of science keeps watch, its gaze fixed on the delicate systems that sustain life. This is a mission of urgency, a race against time to understand the planet's shifting rhythms. From this orbit, the oceans reveal their hidden currents, their colors shifting with the dance of plankton and the pulse of ecosystems. The atmosphere, a gossamer shield, glows faintly, its layers protecting the world from the sun's relentless fury. Every measurement taken here is a lifeline, a piece of the puzzle to preserve the only home humanity has ever known. The view is not just beautiful, it's a call to action, a stark reminder that the planet's future hangs in the balance. Climb to 438 miles, where a fleet of tireless observers tracks the world's every breath. These sentinels see the scars of deforestation, the sprawl of cities, the retreat of glaciers. They witness the planet's triumphs and its wounds, capturing moments that tell the story of a world in flux. From this height, the Amazon's emerald canopy stretches like a living lung, while the Sahara's dunes shift with the wind's restless song. Volcanoes erupt in fiery defiance, their ash plumes curling into the sky. These images are more than data. They're a mirror held up to humanity, reflecting the consequences of every choice made below. Now leap to 22,236 miles, a distance so vast that the entire planet fits within a single frame. From this geostationary perch, the Earth is a swirling orb of blues, whites, and greens suspended in the void. Storms are born and die in real time, their spiraling arms carving paths across oceans. The Americas glow under the sun's embrace, while night cloaks the other half in a tapestry of city lights. This is the view that redefined weather forecasting, that saved countless lives by tracking hurricanes and typhoons with unblinking precision. It's a perspective that feels godlike, yet it underscores humanity's vulnerability. A single planet, alone in the cosmos, demanding care and vigilance. The journey doesn't end here. Push outward to 40,761 miles, where the planet begins to shrink, a bright beacon in the growing darkness. By 270,847 miles, it's a distant sphere, still radiant but smaller, more fragile. From this distance, the moon looms closer, its cratered surface a stark contrast to Earth's vibrant glow. The view is surreal, a reminder of how far humanity has ventured and how precious the home planet remains. At 238,855 miles, a lunar delivery mission captures the Earth as a distant companion. A blue marble, cradled by the moon's barren embrace. The image is haunting, a testament to the courage it takes to leave home and the longing to return. Then, at 240,000 miles, a moment that changed history unfolds. The first humans to orbit another world turn their gaze back and see Earth rising above the lunar horizon. It's a vision that stops the heart, a fragile, glowing sphere floating in the desolate void. The continents are barely discernible, the oceans a faint shimmer. This is the image that awakened a generation, that screamed of unity and fragility. It's a view that transcends science, touching the very core of what it means to be human. The planet, from this distance, is no longer a place but a feeling, a fleeting, precious home. Further still, at 268,563 miles, a modern odyssey captures the Earth in a new light. The view is sharper, the colors more vivid, yet the message remains the same. This is the only world humanity has. The planet's curvature is a gentle arc, its atmosphere a thin halo of light. From this distance, the stakes feel higher, the need to protect the planet more urgent. It's a call to the future, a challenge to rise above division and safeguard the only home that matters. Now leap to 99 million miles, where a lonely rover gazes back from the red plains of Mars. The Earth is a faint dot, a pale blue speck in the vastness of space. Yet even from this unimaginable distance, the planet's presence is undeniable. It's a beacon of life, a reminder of the improbable miracle that is humanity's existence. The view is humbling, almost crushing in its scale, yet it sparks a fire of determination to explore, to understand, to cherish. At 898 million miles, a spacecraft orbiting a distant ringed giant turns its lens toward home. The Earth is barely a pixel, a tiny fleck caught in a beam of sunlight. Yet in that fleeting image, the planet smiles. It's a moment of cosmic poetry, a snapshot that captures the absurdity and beauty of humanity's place in the universe. The view is a gut punch, a reminder that every joy, every sorrow, every triumph and failure unfolds on that minuscule speck. It's a perspective that demands reflection, that forces the question, what is humanity's purpose on this fragile dot? Finally, at 3,700,000,000 miles, the ultimate portrait is painted. A spacecraft, now a relic of human ambition, looks back one last time before slipping into the cosmic deep. The Earth is a pale blue dot, almost invisible against the vastness of space. It's a view that redefines everything. No borders, no nations, no divisions, just a solitary world, adrift in the infinite. The image is a dagger to the heart, a reminder of the planet's insignificance in the grand scheme and its infinite value to those who call it home. This is the perspective that forces humanity to confront its fragility, its unity, its responsibility. These views from 13 miles to 3.7 billion are more than images. They're a story, a saga of courage, curiosity, and a connection. Each vantage point is a chapter, each distance a testament to humanity's relentless drive to see more, know more, be more. The planet, seen through these eyes, is a paradox, mighty yet delicate, eternal yet fleeting. It's a world that demands awe, that commands respect, that begs for protection. The emotional weight of these perspectives is staggering. They strip away the noise of daily life, the petty conflicts, the fleeting distractions, and lay bare the truth. Earth is all there is. It's a realization that can bring tears, spark hope, ignite action. These images are a mirror, reflecting humanity's greatest strengths and its deepest flaws. They challenge everyone to look beyond the horizon, to see the planet not as a resource, but as a responsibility. The shock of these views lies in their clarity. They reveal a world that is both familiar and alien, a planet that feels like home, yet looks like a stranger. The trending pulse of these images, shared across screens, etched into collective memory, is their power to unite. They transcend language, culture, belief, speaking directly to the heart. They're viral, not for their spectacle, but for their truth. The Earth is one, and humanity is its steward. The latest data only amplifies this urgency. The planet is warming, its ice melting, its forests shrinking. Storms grow fiercer, oceans rise, ecosystems falter. Yet there is hope. The same ingenuity that captured these cosmic portraits is mapping solutions, tracking changes, guiding humanity toward a sustainable future. Satellites monitor carbon levels, rovers analyze distant worlds for clues to Earth's fate, and every image sent back is a plea to act. This is the emotional core of the journey. It's not just about seeing Earth, it's about feeling it. It's about standing at the edge of the atmosphere and gasping at the planet's beauty. It's about orbiting 250 miles above and marveling at its unity. It's about gazing back from Mars and weeping for its fragility. It's about holding that pale blue dot in your heart and vowing to protect it. The audience for this story is everyone. It's the dreamer, staring at the stars, the scientist, crunching data, the parent teaching a child to recycle, the activist marching for change. It's the skeptic who needs convincing, the cynic who needs hope, the believer who needs purpose. These images are universal, their message timeless. Earth is home and it's worth fighting for. The script doesn't end with despair. It ends with fire. The fire of human potential, the fire of collective will, the fire of a species that looked at its planet from 3.7 billion miles away and chose to come together. Every view, from the closest aircraft to the farthest probe, is a spark. Together, they ignite a blaze, a movement to cherish the planet, to heal its wounds, to ensure its story continues. This is Earth, as only the boldest exploration can reveal. It's a planet that shocks with its beauty, humbles with its fragility, and inspires with its resilience. It's a world that demands to be seen, not just with eyes, but with hearts. And in that seeing, in that feeling, lies the power to change everything. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the wonders of space. Your support makes it possible to continue sharing the marvels of the universe with the world. We can keep exploring the stars and uncovering the secrets of the cosmos. Until next time, keep looking up